Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unstar items from your Dropbox account. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. In case you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. And now let's simply look at how to unstar items in Dropbox. Well, for simplicity, what I'm gonna do is just click on this start button right here that I will find below the all files section. I'm just gonna click on it. Then from here, as you can see, I can only see the stored items. Now there are two ways to unstar an item. Well, initially the first one is simply to click on this star button right here. If you just click on it, the item will be unstarred. Another way is to simply hover over the item and click on this more button right here. Just click on it and then something like this will open up. Well, as you can see, there are lots of settings. But what you guys need to do is simply scroll down and click on this unstar button right here. I'm gonna click on it. And guys, that's it. The file has been unstarred. And guys, that's the gist of the video. That's how we unstar items from your Dropbox account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.